Okay, I will start now the first part, introduction to the flow control.
Okay.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, I see it.
I don't see it.
You don't?
You see the presentation? Do you see the presentation?
Yeah, it says Java for robotics. Something.
Why don't I see it?
Hmm.
I don't see the presentation.
You don't?
So,
Oh dear.
now I see it.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So as we said in the just 5 minutes ago, Java has only one class operator overloading. For the string class, they overloaded the plus sign. Plus operator, actually, plus sign. This is wrong. Should be plus operator. Sorry for that.
No problem.
Okay, flow control. Computer programs, a program is a sequence of commands or instructions that are to be evaluated and executed one by one, sequentially. Okay.
Okay.
So any computer program is linear in execution. One, two, instruction ones and twos and threes and fours and fives and six. However, we often need to take a decision, and based on the decision, execution goes in different routines. So if you win the game, something will happen. If you lose the game, something else will happen.
Let's.
Okay? Or let's say if you win the exam, and if you lose the exam, two different pathways. So this slide shows difference between normal execution and the two main ways of execution control. Normal flow starts with instruction, then another instruction, then another instruction, then another instruction. Straightforward.
Yeah, straightforward.
Any problem?
No, that makes sense.
Okay. Now, first case of flow control is called branching. When you have one instruction, there's another instruction, then you reach a crossroad. Based on a condition, if the condition is true, you go in one direction and continue in it. And if the condition is false, you go in another direction, called here branch, and continue in it. Make sense?
Yeah, makes
With
sense.
that, let's replace the word condition with the word player won. Player one won. Okay?
Okay.
So if he won, we'll go in the yes direction and continue there. If not, he will go in the right side direction and continue there. This is called branching. And from the naming, it's like a tree stem that makes two branches, one here and one there.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, makes sense.
The second case is called looping. The one instruction, another instruction. Let me remove this. A third instruction. And then, do we still have more work? If yes, we will repeat some of them. This instruction, and then ask, do you still have more work? If yes, we'll go again. This instruction, and ask more work. Until there is no more work, we will exit the loop and continue.
Okay, makes sense.
This is looping, as simple and straightforward as it is. The simplest way of describing normal flow, branching, and looping. So in branching, in normal flow, you go straight forward in the sequence of instructions. In branching, based on a condition, you go to one side of two branches and continue in this branch, whether this side or the size. Looping, you keep doing one or more instructions until no more work to do. Then you exit the loop and continue.
Right.
You said earlier that you have some experience in programming. It was you or Asif?
I believe that was Brother Asif. I don't have experience in
Okay.
programming.
Okay. So let's s- um, give a simple example here. I have a robot that is turning around to find the door. So it turns 1 degree and check. Did I find reach the door? No. Did it turn more? Reach the door? No. Reach more? Turn more, 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 turn more until they reach the door? Yes. Then stop turning and continue going to the door.
Right. Hmm.
Branching is done using a statement called if statement. Its syntax is if condition is to be put between two parentheses. If condition, then body of the condition of the if statement. The body is to be executed if condition is evaluated as true. Okay. So when
Okay.
condition is true, execute the body. Otherwise, do nothing. One simple example here is when you take a photo and you want to save it with some name, let's say my photo, or let's
Hmm.
say my journey.
Right.
When you create a photo with and you want to save it with a name, the system first checks if some file exists in the same location with the same target name. If there is something with this name, it deletes it first. If not, it does nothing, and then it saves the photo. So if nothing exists with the same name, where is so if nothing exists with the same name, nothing will be deleted. Okay.
Okay.
In all cases, you create the photo. In all cases, you save the photo to the file. But the only difference is that if there is an existing file with the same target name, it will be deleted first. This is what
Right.
we call overwriting.
Makes sense.
There's another form of if statement called, oh, no, forget about it. Okay. Let's say this first. We said that the if statement condition is if condition and the body. Condition is Boolean expression. We talked about Boolean expression earlier. Now the body is either a statement ending a semicolon or a block of statements between opening and closing uh, curly brackets.
Okay.
Again, the body of the if construct is either one of two cases, either a single statement ending in what?
The semicolon, yeah.
Or a block of statements enclosed between opening and closing curly
Uh,
brackets.
hmm, right.
Now we have parentheses, we have brackets, square brackets, and we have curly brackets. Okay. So an example here, int a equals 5, b equals 7, c equals 7. Declaration and assignment of three variables in one line, a, b, and c. A equals 5, b and c also supposed to be equals 7. Now, if a equals b, system out println they are equal. Do you think that, what do you think this code will do?
This one will, if A and B are like both the same number or the same
Value.
yeah, then it will the when you click run, it'll say that they are equal. Or
Okay, now you see a equals 5, b equals 7, c equals 7. What will the condition, what will these three lines do? What will
uh
these lines print?
yeah, when it prints, since the A and B aren't equal, it won't print that message, but I don't know what it will print.
It will not print anything.
Oh yeah. Okay then.
Fine. Now let's try this. If a integer a equals 5, b equals 7, c equals 7. If a equals b, now see the curly brackets, system out parentheses are equal and c equals 50. C becomes 50. What will happen here?
Then that means that C, I think, what it will instead of 7, it will become 50 in this case.
But actually, this body will not be executed because a equals b evaluates to false.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it will neither print anything nor change the value of c.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. There is another form of if statement called if else statement. For the if statement, you have if condition body. For the if else statement, you have if condition body one, else body two.
Okay.
When condition is true, execute body one, otherwise execute what?
Oh yeah, body 2.
Body two. So the same numbers, integer a equals 5, b equals 7. If a equals b, print they are equal, else print they are not equal. So what will happen here?
Mm. Then it will print out because it's not equal, it'll print out they are not equal, which is the second one.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay. Right.
If user answer equals correct answer, system out print lane will done. Else system out print lane wrong answer. Try again.
Mhm.
This is a direct how can I say it? Uh, Example of the if else statement. Okay.
Mhm.
Notice here that we if the body contains only one statement, we can include this one statement within a block between open and closing brackets, curly brackets, but not the other way.
Right.
Okay, do some exercises. Integer a equals 7 if a equals 7. Sorry, integer a equals 5 if a equals 7. System out print lane true. What will happen here?
Uh, it won't print out true because A
Fine,
isn't.
thank you. I think this is to be left to the next lecture. Let's stop here,
Okay.
and next lecture we'll review and start from multiple episodes.
Hmm.
Okay?
So, okay.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for your time. Thank you for attention.
No problem. Thank you, Brother Amr, for teaching me all this stuff.
You are welcome. You respect me, I respect you.
Mm. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum now.